Truetone missing. The original screen of this iPhone 11 Pro Max is damaged. It can no longer display normally. Let's replace a new screen. Let's replace a new original screen. Power on JSM. Snap the original screen of the phone in the correct port of JC ID. Press reset. It automatically backs up screen data. Read the original screen data. Remove the original screen. Connect the another screen. Press write yes. Write the truetone data to an replacement original screen. Install the new original screen to the phone. Phone power on. The truetone displays normal. Mission success.